Hey friends, hola amigo. So I just ordered from Second Cup. Acabo de pedir just breakfast, some small breakfast. Vanilla bean coffee. Café de vainilla, un latte. And this that I wanted to try, y esto que quería probar en realidad, supposed to be, I mean it's not supposed to be, it is, a melt ham. Es como un barro jarpa en el fondo. It's not the best presentation, but this is how it is. Huh? Doesn't look bad, huh? It's pretty good actually. Se ve muy Wendy Yerks. Look. ¿Ah? Se ve bien. No. Probably needs a little bit more toasting. Quizá necesita que estuviera un poquitito más crujiente. So good. Está bueno. That's all. Just a small breakfast. Un pequeño desayuno. And enjoy the end of your weekend. Que tengan un buen fin de semana. Nos vemos. Chao. See you later.